Mom, look! I finished the stained glass windows!
Oh, Sam, it is absolutely beautiful.
I used the colorful candy wrappers you brought home from work.
You turned my trash into a masterpiece, sweetheart.
I really hope I win the school architecture contest tomorrow. The winner gets a scholarship to the summer art camp!
You worked so hard on this cardboard castle. I know you will win.
I don't have fancy materials, just glue, cardboard, and imagination.
Imagination is more powerful than any expensive material, Sam. Now go to sleep. Tomorrow is a big day.
Watch out, everyone! The garbage collector is here!
Excuse me, Rex. I am just trying to carry my project.
Your project? You mean that pile of recycled trash?
It is a medieval castle. I built it myself.
It smells like old cereal boxes and glue. How embarrassing.
It took me 3 weeks to build it, Rex.
Well, you wasted your time. Look at my project. It is a 3D printed modern mansion. My dad ordered it online.
You didn't even build it yourself?
Why would I build it? My dad has a credit card. It has real electric lights inside. It plugs right into the wall. You stand no chance, Sam. I am going to win that scholarship.
The contest is about creativity, Rex, not shopping.
Keep telling yourself that, cardboard boy.
Welcome, students, to the Grand Library!
Today, we will judge your architecture projects.
Please welcome our famous judge, Mr. Sterling.
Good morning, children. I am looking for true vision today. A great building must have a soul. It must inspire me.
He looks very strict. I am getting nervous.
Let us begin. Rex, present your project first.
Behold, Mr. Sterling, the mansion of the future.
My goodness, it is incredibly precise.
It is made of pure, high-grade white plastic. Flawless!
Yes, the lines are very straight. It is very modern.
And look, I will plug it into the wall. See? It lights up perfectly!
It is very bright, very clinical. But did you actually construct this with your own hands?
I supervised the 3D printer. It is very expensive.
I see. It is a good display of wealth, you young man. But it feels a bit cold. It lacks a human touch.
Cold? But it is flawless!
Let us move on to the next student.
Sam, please step forward with your project.
Prepare to laugh, Mr. Sterling. He brought actual garbage.
It is not garbage. It is a medieval castle.
Interesting. It is made entirely of cardboard?
Yes, sir. Cardboard, twigs, and candy wrappers for the windows.
See? I told you. It belongs in a recycling bin.
Quiet, Rex. Let the boy speak.
I cut every piece myself. I wanted it to feel rustic and warm.
It has a very charming shape, but it is very dark inside.
I have a small battery light inside, but it is hard to see in this bright room.
What a joke. My mansion is glowing. Yours is just brown dirt.
Rex, please stop interrupting.
Whoa! That thunder was really loud!
It looks like a huge storm is rolling in quickly.
Hey! What happened? I can't see anything!
The storm knocked out the power! Please stay calm, students!
My mansion, it's plugged into the wall. It went completely dark.
The entire library is pitch black. This is highly unfortunate.
This is ruined. My project is...
Wait, Mr. Sterling, look at my castle. I am turning on my little battery light.
Oh, I wish.
What is happening? Why is it glowing like that? Look at the windows. The candy wrappers. The light is shining through them.
It looks like actual magnificent stained glass.
The red, blue, and gold light is reflecting all over the dark walls!
It is breathtaking. It is casting a magical glow across the entire library.
I wanted it to feel like a real, warm home in the dark.
You have taken ordinary, discarded materials and created pure poetry.
But my mansion cost $1,000!
And yet, in the darkness, it vanished. It relies on the wall, not on itself. Sam's castle has its own light. It has its own soul. This is the true meaning of architecture, creating warmth and inspiration.
Sam, you are the undeniable winner of the scholarship!
I won? I actually won! Thank you, Mr. Sterling!
Congratulations, Sam. Your hard work truly paid off.
The power suddenly comes back on, lighting the room again. It's not just a box, Rex. It's imagination. I'm sorry I made fun of you, Sam. When the lights went out, your castle really was beautiful.
Thank you, Rex. That means a lot. My dad bought my project because he didn't have time to help me build one. Maybe next time, you can come over and we can build something together.
You would really let me help you build something?
Of course! Building is the most fun part!
Sometimes we feel sad because we do not have the most expensive things. We see others with shiny new toys and we feel left behind. But true beauty does not come from a store. It comes from your mind, your creativity, and your hard work. When the world goes dark, expensive things often lose their shine. But the things you make with love will always glow the brightest. Never let anyone make you feel small. just because your materials are simple. Your imagination is the greatest tool you will ever own. Did you like Sam's story? Have you ever built something amazing out of simple things? Tell us all about it in the comments below. Thank you for watching English Story Vault. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have so many more wonderful stories to share with you. Keep using your imagination and see you next time.